Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you this Loki Thor jump starter and battery tester. So this item was gifted to me to do this video, and you guys know me, that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to unbox it, show you what it looks like, and take it out and test it out in real world conditions and show you how it performs. So let's get it out of the box, see what it looks like, and get to testing. Alright, so here's our little device right here. Okay, got that, got some instruction manuals. Let's go down inside here. We've got a little carry bag. We got some jumper cables and a USB-C charging cable. Alright, so that's all that comes in the box. Alright, so it's pretty small, lightweight. So it's got some, bright LED type things right here for showing you battery levels. It's at green. It's about 75% charged. So it has a flashlight on it. By holding this button down here, you can turn it on. And then it has two modes, bright and dim. We have flasher mode, and then SOS mode, and then I don't know what that is, bilateral mode. Okay, and then it's off. Okay, so guys, I mean, having a flashlight is cool, but the main thing is does it jump a car off? So we're going to go out and test that. It says right here on the side that it will do up to an 8.5 liter gas and a 6.5 liter diesel. I have a Silverado pickup with a 6.0 in it, so we'll try it out on that and we'll see how it does. Alright guys, so I'm here at my Chevy Silverado, and I've disconnected the main battery lead here because my battery is good and don't need a booster on a car that has a good battery. So I had to disconnect the battery to do this test. So basically you're going to connect the black one to the negative and the red to the positive. So now that the positive is loose, the truck will start just with this thing alone. So we'll plug it in, connect those, and we'll turn it on. We'll wait until it goes into, there's a countdown right here, 3, 2, 1, and now we see the green light right here, and now we can go give it a try. Okay guys, so you saw that it started up. Once you get it started, it's important to disconnect the battery and turn the unit off. It needs to rest between charges starts because it does put out a lot of power and it kind of heats up. So you need to wait a few minutes before doing it again. If you fail on your first start, you need to wait about maybe 5 minutes, and then you can try it again, so that the device doesn't overheat and cause any damage. Once that time is up, we can go ahead and connect it again. Okay. Connect it again. Turn it on. We'll wait for the countdown, which is right here. Then we'll see the green light, and we'll hear a little click, and then we can go ahead and try it again. Okay, so disconnect it, turn it off. So guys, there we go. It worked really good. It started this big, this is a Silverado 2500, so it has a big 6.0 liter gasoline engine in it, and it had no trouble starting it off. Just boom, took it. Alright guys, so it does have a battery test function, which I fully tested and used. You have to download the BattGuard app, and then connect it via Bluetooth to this device, and then use the app to run the test. Due to security issues, I cannot show that on this video, but the instructions will guide you through that. And I did run a test on my battery here, and it actually showed that my battery is in poor condition. which I believe because this battery has gone dead a couple times. The truck has a slight power drain, and if I don't drive the truck, at least 2 or 3 times a month, the battery will go dead. And generally when a car battery goes completely dead, that actually hurts it. And that's happened a few times on this truck, so I believe that the battery is in poor condition. That was not surprising. So one little side note on these lithium-ion battery boosters, all of them, this applies to all of them, is they don't do well in extreme heat or in extreme cold. The battery charge life goes way down in those conditions. So if you live in a really hot climate, say like Phoenix, Arizona, or in the Arctic where it gets really, really cold, you might need to charge these things more frequently because they will lose charge faster. And I don't recommend leaving them in conditions where they're going to get really, really hot or, freezing cold. It's not good for it to leave it in that condition. So if you live in those climates, it's best to bring this device inside if you're not going to be in your car or your car is going to be exposed to long periods of extreme heat. Other than that, these things are pretty reliable, and they've gotten me out of jam, and I've actually helped people in parking lots that had dead batteries just pull it out, jump them off, and get them going. So they are a helpful device. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please hit that thumbs up underneath the video to let me know this video helped you out. Until next time, this is the Gadget Man saying, I'll see you later.